Hello everyone, it's Darian from TNT Plant-ery, and today I will be cutting open the first Golden Midget Watermelon of the season. I ordered the seeds from Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Company. The melon is about the size of an orange, and you can tell it's ripe when it has a yellow skin. Now let's see what the inside looks like. I may have picked it a little bit too early, but we're gonna see what it tastes like in just a second. Alright, so I removed the seeds. It's always good to save your own seeds so next year you can grow your own food using seeds you know where they came from. I was expecting the skin to be a little bit more red. It's more on the pink side, but let's see how it tastes. It's real sweet. It's good. Grow your own food.